Hi, welcome to my shower. So, one of the common questions we get about safety razors are they difficult to use? I'm going to cut myself. Are they scary because it's a sharp blade? And the answer to the questions, well, it is a sharp blade, but the answer to the other questions is that no, it's not scary, it's not difficult to use, and once you get the hang of it, you don't even really think about it. So, I'm quickly going to show you how to shave with a safety razor. As you can see, I've already lathered up here. I'm a shower shaver. You can obviously do this at the sink if you prefer, but I always recommend shaving after you shower because your skin is nice and warm and the hair is soft. Pores are open up a little bit, so just gives you a better shave. But anyway, here we go. I'm not shaving my whole face. I'm just shaving. I like to leave like a little bit of a faux beard. Make sure you rinse the razor so it doesn't clog, and then. The key with the safety razor is short repeated strokes versus long single strokes. That's number one. And number two is no pressure. You really just need to be, actually it's quite hard to speak and do this at the same time, but I'm trying. So you really need to just pass the blade across the skin and you get a nice close shave. So anyway, I'll finish up by myself, but that gives you a good idea, I think. Anyway, bye.